for all supporting this political party. Happiness Realization Party is the #1 political party of Japan. By the meaning of number one, we have the #1 visualization for the future. We, Happiness Realization Party, will create the amazing Japanese prosperity. Please give us your support. We will definitely change this country, and we will make Japan a country, a leader country of the world. Thank you very much, the people of Roppongi. Today, the party leader of Happiness Realization Party is here to show his appreciation to all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is the Happiness Realization Party.